Well, we are 4 days after he was scheduled to die by lethal injection. Robert Roberson is set to testify today in front of members of a Texas House committee.
Our JD Miles is actually in Austin this morning. JD, that committee is looking into what's known as the junk science law, specifically shaken baby syndrome. So what do we expect out of this meeting today?
Good morning. We are a little more than 5 hours away from something we've never seen in Texas history, a current death row inmate testifying before a state house committee here at the Capitol. It's going to be a surreal scene. We are told Robert Roberson will appear via a live stream camera from prison. State lawmakers and Roberson's attorneys wanted him here in person, but the Office of Attorney General Ken Paxton opposed that, saying that there are too many security concerns and no nearby prisons to hold him. Now, just 4 days ago, Roberson was only minutes a day from being executed, with a flurry of legal motions being filed that ended with the Texas Supreme Court issuing a stay. More than 80 lawmakers, including some of the most liberal Democrats and conservative Republicans in the House, believe Roberson did not murder his 2-year-old daughter by shaking her violently. Shaken baby syndrome was a controversial medical diagnosis that many experts now call junk science, and it's widely discredited. The state passed a law in 2013 to help those accused of it who were convicted, but Roberson has remained on death row for more than 20 years. He has denied abusing his daughter, who had pneumonia and a fever days before she died. Among those not buying Roberson's innocence, Attorney General Ken Paxton's office, which has argued that shaken baby syndrome was not the only evidence in the case and continues to push for a new execution date. Two things to look for at today's hearing. One is, how will Roberson come across to lawmakers and the public? His attorney says he's been diagnosed with autism, which can make him seem very cold and unemotional. Also, how much probing will lawmakers do into Roberson's guilt or innocence? The purpose of this committee meeting, which starts at noon, is to find out why Roberson's case did not lead to a commuted sentence or at least a new trial. And again, that committee meeting will start here at noon with Roberson appearing via a live stream camera from prison. Live in Austin this morning, JD Miles, CBS News, Texas.